Hi there, Space here.
Look at my big eyes.
Look at my little eyes.
Look at my big little eyes. And now let's take a look at the Nick Jr. little big room.
Hi, it's me, Flexy. Welcome to the little big room. Let's go meet a friend of mine. Hey, Tyler, do you like to sing a song? Mm-hmm. What song do you like?
Oh, MacDonald.
Oh, can we sing that right now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's sing it. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm, he had a pig. I love piggies. E-I-E-I-O. With a ruff ruff here and a ruff ruff there. Wait a minute. Do piggies go ruff ruff?
No, to go oink oink.
Oh, I messed it up. Let me do it again. With a oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Yay, Tyler! Good singing! Yay! That was very nice.
Nick Jr. We'll be right back after a short break.